Hello, good morning, and welcome to the fourth day, yes, checking out, the fourth day of our talk about blogs. In case you're unaware, every single morning, Monday through Friday, I go live on TikTok and cover a frequently asked question that I get from people that are having their own small business. And we've already covered analytics and several other points. If you missed any of the videos, go back and find them. Currently, we're in this series all about blogs. And we are going to be covering the question, why do some blogs fail? And that's what we're going to be answering today. So before we jump into that, make sure that you follow me wherever you're at and that you like this video. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions about blogs or the things we talk about today. I'd love to be able to answer those questions for you. If you're not following me on TikTok, definitely come and follow me there because that's where you're going to see these videos first. Every other platform gets them a week to 2 weeks later. So if you want to jump on these as soon as possible, you want to do it there. And hello, Wool Day, Woof Day, sorry. So let's go ahead and jump into the question. Why do some blogs fail? So first, before we can answer that question, I want to talk about the definition of the word fail. So I've seen people define failure in a couple different ways. So the first way is they don't get more traffic. So they feel like that means that their blog is a failure. The second thing is they get traffic, but it doesn't convert into sales. And the third thing that can mean that you fail is that you stop publishing articles. So there's really only three options here. If you quit, guess what? That's a failure. If you keep going, you keep having the opportunity to make it a success. So I want you to kind of think about that if you're talking about the failure of a blog and what it is you mean. Now, if you don't get more traffic, you're probably not using the right keywords. If you're getting traffic but no sales, you may not be writing about the right topic because you're getting people coming to your site who aren't actually interested in what it is you have to sell. So again, keywords. If you quit, that is all on you, and that's because you decided that you weren't going to be able to make it work. That is not failure, in my opinion. Neither is not getting more traffic or traffic but no sales. All of those things just mean you need to switch your gear and find something else. I cannot tell you how many of my clients write blog articles and they find one specific article is responsible for all of their traffic. And so you could write 10 articles and 9 of them could be failures, but on that 10th one, you get one that really helps you start to get more traffic and sales. So with a blog, it's really all about continuously posting. We talked about that previous times in the week, so go back and watch those videos if you missed them. But now let's jump into the actual question. So why do some blogs fail? So we're going to talk about things I just kind of mentioned. Number one, did you ask your customers what they want to talk about? Did you do keyword research? Did you publish enough articles? So any of these things can be a reason that your blog fails. Basically, you didn't do it long enough or you didn't ask the right questions, okay? One of those two things is usually the reason that your blog is going to fail. Second reason, or third reason, I guess, is because maybe your articles aren't relevant to what you sell, which we just covered. Are you offering products with a call to action in the article? If you're writing blog posts and you're not actually putting on the blog post, click here to buy this mug or whatever it is you sell, that's a call to action. A call to action means you tell them, go do this thing. Just putting a thing that says like, here's my mug is not good enough. It has to actually say, go buy my mug. So if you're not doing that, that can be why it's failing to get sales. Ultimately, though, the only real way that your blog is going to fail is when you give up, and you have full control of this. So make sure that you ask your customers, send out an email and ask them to respond. Send out an email with a survey attached and ask them to take the survey. Make sure you do your keyword research. Don't just randomly write things. If you do that, you may be using the wrong terminology. So you might have the perfect thing to write about, but if you don't use the right keywords, Google will not show you to people. So you have to make sure you're using the right words when you're talking in your blog article. Make sure that you're offering a product in your article that makes sense and that there is a call to action. And finally, don't give up. Keep doing it. Keep writing, keep creating those posts, and you will find success. The only time you really fail with your blog is when you give up. All right, so that is all for today. We'll be talking more about blogs tomorrow, and then next week we will have a completely new topic. If you have any questions about blogs, so I actually have a question about why someone else sent someone a live. I have no idea. I don't even know who that is. So I can't really answer that question for you. Don't know who that person is. So maybe ask them. Um, but so we'll be talking more about blogs tomorrow. We'll be talking about a new topic next week. If there's anything in your business that you would like help understanding or making work for you, comment, message me. I'd be happy to help you. Questions about blogs, particularly, make sure you get those to me today. And then I will see you tomorrow. Said that we know each other. Maybe I know them and I don't recognize the handle. It's possible. But thank you for joining me. I appreciate it. Hopefully you found this helpful all about blogs. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.